Wearing a beautiful gown and walking on ramp doesn't make you a model, doesn't make you a Miss India until unless you pursue that title in future.
So in between the lines, you're not telling us, but it's okay.
मुझे पता चले मेरे प्रोडक्शन वाले आके गए सोफिया.
No, it's fine.
Eat a lot, whatever I am doing preparing. पिछले एक महीने से कुछ नहीं खाना, prepare everything.
Yeah.
अच्छे से food I'll intake, good food.
Hello everyone, my name is Onam Gupta and you're watching India.com Z Media. So today I have with me, Sophie Singh, who is soon going to represent India at Miss Asia Pacific in Philippines. So let's welcome her. Hi Sophie, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. First of all, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you
You're
so much.
going to represent India at such a prestigious platform. How are you feeling? How is the feeling? Are you nervous, excited? Everything.
Actually, it's a mixed feeling for me right now because I am representing India and it's gonna be very difficult because at Philippines, Miss Asia Pacific, all of the countries are participating. Most of the almost 50 countries are participating in this, and I am gonna experience different girls from different countries. Of course, I'm excited, and apart from that, I'm nervous as well because competition is gonna be very tough.
Yeah.
It's gonna be very tough.
So, before asking you anything, I want to know when and how did you enter into the world of pageantry? Like, from where did that aspiration came?
Since childhood, I wanted to be into the lamplight. It is not about that I want to become a model or actor or something like that. Since childhood, I inspire such situations in my life whenever I used to watch televisions or whenever I used to watch models on ramp or something like that. So at 2016, when I was 18 years old, I went to represent my college into a fashion segment in IIT Roorkee, and there was a pageant running like Femina Miss India Campus Princess, and I won that. Suddenly, I won that. I didn't know that I could make it, but suddenly I won that pageant. From there, I represented in Femina Miss India. Then my journey started. Like, I have got some modeling assignments, some acting assignments. I worked with Balaji. I worked with different platforms. And then I took a break because I always wanted to have a Miss India title along with me. I struggled to become a Miss India title for 8 years approx. Then COVID happens, and COVID also, the pageant has stopped working at that time. Most of the international pageant didn't work. I have groomed myself for years and years, and that's how I am sitting here with this title now, finally.
Of course, now we can see that. So,
Yes.
were there some challenges, during the prep that you faced, and how did you
Yes.
overcome?
When my competition started, when I first come into this competition, I saw rest of the girls are fully prepared with the ramp, with the styling, the way you talk, the way you sit with other people. Everything counts because it is not about the competition. You have to represent India in international platform. It is one of the biggest thing. How? I'll tell you. It is the same thing how a sportsman, a sportswoman representing India in sports and getting a gold medal. This is also a same thing in a sports way. I am representing beauty in international level where I have to get the gold or silver
Yeah.
medal in this.
So, any learnings that shaped shaped you during this process? You could.
As such, in this world, internet is the biggest thing. Instagram, Facebook is the biggest thing. People nowadays, they learn from Instagram and Facebook. Nowadays, like small reels.
Yeah.
What I suggest to young girls who are inspiring, who want to come into this platform, who want to become Miss India or come into the ramp or acting field, there are lots of institutes. There are lots of grooming institutes
Yeah.
which is going on over here. And even my organization, I am representing Glamanand Supermodels, which has Miss Universe this year. On 22nd, the Miss Universe is gonna happen. They have the grooming sessions. Every girl undergoes with such groomings like perfect walk, the talk, the question answer round, the vocabulary, everything has to be prepared so well so that if you are on the ramp, nobody can reject you. They will forcefully has to select you.
So confidence.
Confidence and the way you are talking, and especially the ramp walk, the walk confidence, because world is watching you.
Yeah.
There are lots of cameras, there are lots of Instagram fan pages who are following you. So you have to prepare yourself super well.
Everybody knows that about the Miss Asia Pacific, the Zeenat Aman was the first.
Zeenat Aman was the first woman who
she's
got the title. Yes.
she was the first winner. She won the title in 1970. Then Dia Mirza secured the title, and now
2000, yes.
now you will be representing. So कोई pressure है कि वो legacy continue करनी है to win?
बहुत ज़्यादा खुद ही मैंने अपने आप को ये प्रेशर में डाला हुआ है क्योंकि हम फर्स्ट ज़ीनत अमान पहली थी जिन्होंने मिस एशिया पैसिफिक जीता और उन्होंने बॉलीवुड में बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी क्रिएट करी है। शायद आज उनका नाम ट्रेल में अभी भी है। दिया मिर्ज़ा 2000 में गोल्डन, हमारे लिए वो गोल्डन ईयर कहा जाता है एज अ पैजेंट गर्ल बिकॉज उस टाइम पे 3 लड़कियां विनर्स थी, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, दिया मिर्जा, सुष्मिता सेन, मिस वर्ल्ड, मिस यूनिवर्स, ऐश्वर्या राय, मिस वर्ल्ड, मिस यूनिवर्स, एंड ऐश्वर्या राय, सुष्मिता सेन वाज द बैक टू बैक विनर्स। तो थोड़ा सा उसके बाद से हमारे इंडिया में वो टाइटल वापस कोई लेकर नहीं आया था। राइट नाउ हरनाज एंड मानुषी चिल्लर गॉट द टाइटल ऑफ मिस वर्ल्ड आफ्टर सो मेनी ईयर्स। आई गॉट दिस प्रेशर, मैं खुद ही ले रही हूँ अपने ऊपर क्योंकि हमारे पास 2 टाइटल्स तो आए हैं। ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपने आप को उस चीज़ में प्रिपेयर भी कर रही हूँ कि मैं मिस एशिया पैसिफिक वाला भी लेकर आऊँ इतने सालों के बाद। उसके बाद भी बहुत लड़कियां, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ गर्ल्स हु रिप्रेजेंटेड इन मिस एशिया पैसिफिक बट दे डिडंट मेक इट अनफॉर्चुनेटली। बट दिस ईयर वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग सो वेल, so extremely well कि इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हम लेकर जरूर आएंगे।
चलो let's manifest, and I wish
I am manifesting this
everyone
night.
let's manifest that you win. चलो suppose you won,
yes,
you win today, what will you do like the next day? क्या करोगे? What will Sophia do?
नेक्स्ट डे, फर्स्ट डे तो मैं खुद ही अपने आप को होश नहीं संभाल पाऊंगी, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी। दैट ऑफ कोर्स आई गोना प्रे एंड थैंक गॉड फॉर एवरीथिंग व्हाट एवर आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड, मेरी सारी प्रिपरेशन के लिए। ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना ईट अ लॉट व्हाट एवर आई एम डूइंग प्रिपेयरिंग। पिछले 1 महीने से कुछ नहीं खाना, प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग, अच्छे से फूड आई विल टेक, गुड फूड. And it was gonna be the happy moment for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do it. It's apparently come by the chance.
Yeah. So I just wish that you're preparing for the best, not for the worst.
Yes, not for the worst, of course.
Yeah, I just wish for that. So, my next question is, Sophia, pageantry do you think it's empowering young women nowadays? Do you think?
Every year there is a level. Some of the girls, they little empower by coming into Miss India. They sometimes they glamorize themselves a lot. Oh, it's a walk, or it's wearing a beautiful gown and walking on ramp doesn't make you a model, doesn't make you a Miss India until unless you pursue that title in future. That is the biggest aspect. Coming into this field, it's always inspired the other girls. Like if you take this title very nicely, very beautifully, every girl, there are lots of pageant pages. There are lots of young girls who follow them. They see you.
Yeah.
They see each and everything, how you dress yourself, how you eat, how you represent yourself with other people.
Yeah.
Everything watch, and especially in social media, Instagram, Facebook plays a very important role.
Yeah.
I think it is inspirational in every aspect if you take the title very nicely and take it as a responsibility for the future.
So, most girls only, they see the glamorous part of it, not the...
That is the biggest problem, that they only see the glamorous part. They haven't seen the struggle behind this. And it is a lot of struggle. Trust me, coming into the stage, walking on ramp, it's very difficult. It's not easy. Wearing big heels, making turns, impressing the audience, talking, and suddenly you fumble and lots of negative marking happens. It will break your heart if you didn't make it.
Everything it's judged on your basis, mostly on your looks, personality.
Everything
is being judged.
That's why it calls beauty with brains. Brains really important in this.
Okay, so what advice would you like to give to young women nowadays who wants to pursue pageantry?
First, study what pageantry is.
Okay.
First, you need to look forward and study what pageantry means, what Miss India and what the international pageantry means. Learn for what it is, and then go for a good grooming. Go examine what exactly pageantry going on in this generation. Before it was different, then it was different, and now it was totally different. Learn, teach yourself how it is, and then come forward. When a child is born, first we teach a small child to walk, then talk, and then the child eventually empowered himself to become like this. And now
Yeah.
we both are sitting like we both were
Yeah.
children, and first we walk and
course.
talk, and then we are like that. That's how pageantry also work. First they need to learn what it is, then walk, then exams, and then you prepare yourself.
Coming to your other part of your life, like on the professional front, like television did play a very big part
Yes.
in your life. Like you did shows like Splitsvilla, Bepana.
Yes. I did it.
Yeah, and my question was that why didn't you choose to do another like show of Splitsvilla? If would have been given a chance, would you ever would like to do another show of Splitsvilla?
I think this time I will not approach as a contestant. And I have done Splitsvilla when I was 19 years old. Now I am 29. It's almost 10 years.
Yeah. So कुछ memories याद है उस time
बहुत
की?
साल हो गए हैं मेरे स्प्लिट्सविला के उस टाइम के फ्रेंड्स अभी भी फ्रेंड्स हैं. Some of them are married now. Imagine.
So still with Subuhi, Paras.
Yeah, they all are my best friends.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Paras, they all are they are my family.
Wow.
Basically. And after my season, I think बोलना नहीं चाहिए, but हमारा season ज़्यादा booming था.
वो तो था, because I remember your season very well. So
Yeah,
I
हमारा
know.
season बहुत ज़्यादा booming था उस
Yeah.
time पे.
ऐसा ही कुछ स्पिरिचुअल जैसा बिग बॉस जैसा शो अगर आपको ऑफर हो, would you like?
नहीं, Big Boss तो नहीं जाना चाहूँगी. Big Boss is
Why?
not my platform actually.
Answer, because
It has to be very aggressive, and you know how people work inside Big Boss.
Yeah.
वो मेरा लीग नहीं है. मैं बहुत I'm very calm and
Calm
poised,
and, yeah.
और मुझे लग रहा है मैं अगर गई तो मैं दूसरे एपिसोड में ही बाहर आ जाऊंगी.
So you are very different. Like,
I am a
person.
very different person as compared. If I compare myself with the Big Boss thing, it
You
won't
won't go.
happen. It won't
Okay.
happen. Pageant मेरा अलग है, because you know in pageant you have to be very poised.
yeah.
You know you have to be very dolled up all the time.
Yeah.
The Big Boss is not gonna be my league. I cannot abuse and fight all the time वहाँ पर.
So because you have been a part of Splitsvilla, and like लोगों के इतने opinions होते हैं इस पे कि it's being called a reality show, but
Yes.
is it a reality? Like क्या ये होती है reality?
Well,
Is it unscripted show or not? Because you have been a part of show, so you could tell our viewers better now.
I think viewers know it better now. Viewers know it better now.
So,
कि ये
if-
scripted है कि नहीं है. I can't say it, yes or no. But when I was there, I haven't found like this.
Okay.
When I was there. But after that, lots of season has been passed by. अब मुझे नहीं पता कैसे चल रहा है कैसे नहीं चल रहा है, वो अब आजकल रिव्यूअर्स ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता सकते हैं.
First time no scripts there were.
No, not that time.
Okay. So in between the lines you're not telling us. But it's okay.
मुझे पता चले मेरे प्रोडक्शन वाले आके गए सोफिया.
No, it's fine. It's okay. Okay, so my last question is, Sophia, where do you see yourself, after 5 years from pageantry? Like, what is your goal?
It's depend how it gonna happen after my career. If I get good opportunity, of course I'm gonna pursue myself as a into this good social activist. To be
Okay.
very honest, after 5 years, my honest answer: get married and have kids. Take care of my family. Take care of myself. Let's see how it goes, because I have my family behind me, and they supports me a lot in these situations. And I think my social power, social activist, activities which is going on still right now. My mother, she's into an animal NGO. She's working regularly every day and night with this.
Wow.
I want to take it forward, and especially the women cause which I have told you, which is running into this world, not special in India. Women violence is happening in all over the world, and since
Okay.
years. So we have to take forward for that. We have to stop the situation. So हर कोई एक्टर मॉडल बन जाएगी मिस इंडिया बनने के बाद, तो फिर सोशल एक्टिविटी कौन देखेगा? किसी एक को तो करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
And I really wanted to make a U-turn in this table.
That's lovely, Sophia. And we would love to see you in that zone more. I personally want to see you there.
If I really got a good opportunity, why not?
चलो बता दो किसके साथ मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो, कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी है किसी के साथ एक्टिंग में?
See, I am a die-hard fan of Salman Khan. वो मुझे अभी बोलेंगे ना शादी करने के लिए, तो मैं शादी करने के लिए भी तैयार हूँ.
Done. So thank you, Sophia, for
Thank
joining
you
with
so
us,
much.
and we wish you all the best for Miss Asia Pacific. We
Yes.
want you to win there. Only good hopes. That's all.
Yes.
So thank you for joining with us,
Thank you
and
so
thank you for
much.
watching.